Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive machine out with me. Now this has basically been converted all the way over to a VXL model. It's now running Badlands wheels and tires. It has got the low center of gravity chassis. It's running the VXL 3S ESC and 3500 kV Valenian motor. Has a bunch of other goodies, a bunch of aluminum upgrades for the steering. Also steering belt crank here. RPM arms, that's the most recent thing I did. I was trying to think what was the most recent thing I did. So RPM suspension arms all the way around. That's the most recent thing we've done, guys. And right before doing that, I also hooked up a TSM transmitter and receiver that came out of my 1/16 E Revo. Because this started as a brush version. Started as the cheapest Traxxas Slash you could buy. So it was $189.95 and I built it into what it is today. But yeah, I swapped this out of my VXL 1/16 E Revo. So now we have TSM and all that good stuff. So we're going to jump right into running this thing and see if we can break it. Those RPM arms shouldn't break because they're supposed to be like some of the best. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, I'm going to give it some throttle, guys, and we're going to hit this ramp. Well, it's not a ramp. We're going to hit this snow pile. Make sure there's no cars coming. Give it a little throttle. Crap. Spun it out. Ease on the throttle. Ooh. Looked like something fell off or broke. How about a bit of a launch? Ready? Get set. Go. It almost starts to lift the tires up once it gets traction. Let's bring it past again, guys. Ooh. Bringing it back. We can't get any traction from that direction. Ease on the throttle. Whoa. Gotta go get it, guys. Almost got a wheelie in. We're gonna attempt to hit this snow pile once again. So far this thing's performing pretty well, guys. Haven't broken anything yet. It is a pretty cold day. Got it down there, gonna bring it around. Easing on the throttle. If I give it too much, I'll spin out. A little bit more. Ooh, I almost fell. Now there's no chance I'm gonna get up from that. Well, if I go easy on the throttle, I might be able to make it. Yeah, if you give it more throttle, you won't get any traction. Yeah, that's two-wheel drive life for you guys. I gotta go down and go get it. I want to get as much speed as I can get, guys. Gonna ease on the throttle. That's how slick it is, guys. See how far that just slid? This is where four-wheel drive would be really nice in conditions like this. Nope. You just really can't gain any speed. No traction. I'll go as slow as I possibly can. There's the slightest incline there. It finally gripped up. But you got to get just right to grip up. Alright guys, it looks like somewhere along the way I lost my fan. So the fan that clips on top of the ESC, that flew off. Maybe that's why I saw it fly off, so I need to go look for that. Hopefully I'll be able to find it. Alright guys, we can try to hit the ramp here. But then with the two-wheel drive, we don't have any traction. Alright, let's try jumping that again. Ooh. Ooh. I can probably get up this if I go slow. The Badlands will hook up if I just go slow like that. Then I can actually come up it most of the way. But I can't spin the tires at all. If I spin the tires, then I lose traction. And then where it gets bumpy, you're probably gonna get stuck. So I can make it to about there. But two-wheel drive, we're not gonna make it over this. If only I could get some traction. Nope, can't even get grip on the road or anywhere. I need to go looking for that fan that I lost, guys. I'm almost getting stuck, and that's on the road. Whoa! I'm gonna try to hit this ginormous snow pile again. Right now I'm spinning. You really can't give it like hardly any throttle. Now. Whoa! But we landed it. Alright guys, I found the fan. I'll just put that in my pocket for now. I don't think I need it. I'll put it back on when we're done running. Alright guys, ready? Get set. Go! Gosh, you can't do a controlled drift. At least I can't. You can't get that right amount of angle to keep on moving and momentum. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's hard to do a drift. Like I kind of can, but yeah, you go too far and you flick it in too far, then you just lose control. Like there, that's too far. I think we just hit low voltage mode too. So if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. There's gonna be more videos with this machine. Doesn't look like we broke it. I thought I broke something, but this bit right down here came off. So I saw it hanging down a little bit. I just popped that back on. No big deal.